Rip that shit, B.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Wisdom, man. I'm freestyling. Yeah. Feel my shit out there, y'all. I'm freestyling, though. Promise. When I run up to the dope spot, you know it's on. 40 cows for they fucking mouths like microphones. I watch the dope grow. Chia pets. I blaze these bitch ass niggas like with cigarettes and ever since then. Told myself I'll never look back again. I love balling, but I'm not touching big skin. Talk shit, catch hoes like a throwback. I walk the speed with your brain slides down the stack. Murder some of the boys, man, and I think it's gonna do it, Jack. I got these niggas boxed in. Newport pack. Bag up when you see me coming up things and had these niggas looking by the brains. Put you up under that water with some heavy ass chains. Dirty like the South. Not a damn diamond in my mouth. Gee, these niggas know what it is. I stacked us to the motherfucking window bust. Yeah, and it's wisdom up in here. Cause smoking that kush is up in here. The air is so filled, it's so sticky. These niggas get high, fucking with me. And they don't like to smoke. These niggas don't joke, they just tote those bangers. Carry those bangers, they killers, drug dealers. Niggas that are fucking with us harder than steel toes. Get money off rocks, pills, and blows. These niggas know what it is. I'm a hustler. Oh, you fucking buster. My niggas in the background. He's finna clown. That's how we get down off the freestyle session.
Freestyle session. No excuse, the interlude. Y'all niggas know the beat been bruised. I beat it up like Rocky for defeat the news. You bitches on my dick every day. Must I conclude? Schedule and plan. Your boys hit a grand and a couple of licks, so you know what's in his hands. Suck a couple of tips, and you know what's on demand, like supply and power. The beat I will devour. Bitch niggas is nothing. They see me and then they cower me, and this is fun. The beat is old meat, so me I must eat in grease. They must seek. My shit is critique, and please do not speak. Yes, I'm nasty. The beat it wants me, and y'all niggas think Pee Wee and Musty. I'm crazy off the beat like Krusty. Y'all niggas straight clowns though. I'm coming through on some ice mode. You can fucking get down, Joe. I'm fucking round, ho.
And we freestyling. Eating niggas up on this motherfucking Facebook slash YouTube shit. It's wisdom up in this motherfucker. Cheese. Yeah, it's me.
Boss, nigga.
Yeah, my nigga Mark.